You might think you know all the best motorcycle hacks, but I can guarantee you these will blow your mind. From keeping your bike clean with Coke and a shoelace, to staying cool on scorching rides, here are 5 game-changing hacks that any motorcycle rider should know. Stick around, because at the end, the last one, gonna make your helmet smell a whole lot better than it does now. Yeah, let's do it. So the first one's going to be cleaning your spokes if you have spokes on your bike. If you're like me, that rear wheel, it can get nasty. And there's a very, very simple way to clean these things. And that is with Coke and a shoelace. Yep, that's all I do, obviously. Get your shoelace all coked up. Man. And then you're going to, let me turn the camera, run her back and forth, just like this. Ta-da! Now, if you have a special way that you clean your spokes or your wheels, and it's a little hack, throw the comments down below so we can help out the next guy. Let's get to hack number 2. Let's do it. You ever been in the position where you had to park your bike on an incline and something that was wet, hot asphalt, anything that's gonna make that, kickstand sink? A simple hack, grab you a can or whatever, as long as it's, flat, crunch it down and use that as a puck because it will disperse the weight across the can and not the small part of your kickstand. Just a simple way. If you're in a pinch, your bike starts to sink, grab you a can, throw it underneath the kickstand, you're good to go. That's hack 2. If you have something crazy that you've thrown under your kickstand that worked as a puck, throw it in the comments below because I've seen some crazy stuff. Let's get to hack number 3. Well, this one took me a little bit to respect and understand until I was put in the position where I wanted them. And that was some earplugs. I know this sounds stupid, might sound simple, but keeping a set of earplugs on your bike, if you rock a helmet, even if you don't rock a helmet, if you're on a long 800-mile ride or longer or whatever, that noise and that wind will make you fatigued. It will, I promise you. So having a good set of earplugs, throw them on the bike. You don't have to wear them all the time, but if you're in a position where, you want to drown some of that noise out, throw in a good set of earplugs in, depending on if your helmet's loud or not wearing one. Like I said, this is going to save you a lot, especially on your hearing. I'm almost 36, and I've heard a lot of loud noise in my life, and I can tell now. So take care of your hearing. Get you some earplugs. Yeah, that's number 3, I think. Yep, 3. Yep. And then number 4. Now, I made a video on this before. Picture 90-degree day. You're running down middle of the desert. You're flying down the road, and you're dripping sweat. It's hot. You feel the motor heat coming up, and it just sucks. I've been there. You know it. Grab you a bandana, which you should always have something on your bike to wipe something up, to throw on your face if you get into dust or sand or whatever it is. Get your bandana, soak it in water, get it nice and wet, and wrap it around your neck. Along with that, cooling rags, things like that. You've heard of guys throwing bags of ice on their risers on their bikes. That stuff works. It's gonna blow a lot of cold air at you, but just a small thing like throwing a bandana on your bike, getting it wet, throwing it around your neck will save you. Promise you it will. That's number 4. Yeah. Tell me if you do this. Throw it down in the comments. It works. I swear. And then number 5, which is a huge one, and it's very simple. Dryer sheet. Okay, think about this. Stinky summer day ride, your helmet's all nasty and sweaty and gross. All you gotta do is throw you a dryer sheet in there and you're good to go. Now, think about this too. Let me show you. You got your saddlebag. How many times have you smelled some stench coming out of these things? Trust me, it probably stinks right now from these rags, my old gloves. Throwing a dryer sheet in your saddlebag, your tour pack, especially if you're on a ride and you just want fresh, you don't want it to smell stanky, throw your dryer sheet in there. Well, there you have it, guys. There's 5 hacks every Harley rider should know, or if you're riding a motorcycle. Which one was your favorite, or do you have a killer hack that I need to try myself? Drop them down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell so you guys don't miss more game-changing motorcycle content. It's game-changing, I promise you. Ride safe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take it easy, guys.